Hey guys, it's Fungi here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I managed to do crochet faux locs on myself for the first time, and today I'm just gonna show you how I did it. If you're new to the channel, please just hit the subscribe button right away. No need to wait. So yeah, I use coconut hair food, normal each gross spray, 6 packs of these faux locs. I've got a pack of these Latch hooks from Amazon. I'm gonna be using a wooden one. And I've got this edge stay gel. This edge control, it's really good. Just keeps my hair intact, you know. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna install my faux locs using the knotless method. So I'm starting off with stretched hair, as you can see. So I'm just gonna part my hair. And then use a bit of some edge control. Get that hair out of the way. Use a bit of some edge control on my hair. Just comb it a bit. Look at that, I'm losing my hair. So yeah, I use a bit of some edge control just to keep my hair intact. I'm just gonna take a section of my hair, split it into half, and then grab the crochet loc. There it is. I'm just gonna put the crochet loc on one half of the section that I have parted into two. It's not easy. I'm trying to open it up a bit more. And then I just grab that loc, put it in one half of the section. Yeah, I did it. And then I'm just gonna braid a 3-strand braid with my real hair. Because I have installed the loc into half of the section, it's gonna keep the loc there at the root with the braid, which is good. So this is called the knotless method, because the hair is just gonna lay flat at the root. You don't have to knot the hair, which is good. I'm just gonna braid my hair halfway. Not gonna do it all the way. And now I'm going to hide my real hair inside the loc. I'm gonna use the latch hook. I open the latch hook first before I insert it into the loc. So I'm just gonna insert the latch hook so that I get a part of the hair and pull it through. taking time, but I'm getting there. So yeah, there we go. I make sure the lace hook is open. I take that part of my hair, hook it up on the lace hook, and then just pull it down into the lock. Just gonna pull it through into the lock. Yeah, that's it. There you have it. And then I repeat the same process again. Pat my hair. Get that hair out of the way. I make use of my hairpin. Continuing with the knotless method of installing crochet locs. In case you didn't get it when I did the first one, hope this one is gonna be a bit clearer. So I use a bit of some edge control just to keep my hair intact. Then I split the hair into two. Then grab the crochet lock. Put the crochet lock on one half of the section. There we go. Now I'm just gonna braid the hair. A 3-strand braid with my real hair. It wasn't easy achieving these locks on myself. When I started, it was really difficult. But then, yeah, I finally managed to do it using the knotless method. I found it easy, and I just love the fact that it doesn't have any knot. It's more, it looks like it's the real deal. When I started doing it, my family was like, "Oh, are you gonna do it? Can't you just find a professional?" But yeah, I managed to do it. I thank God. So I'm just gonna use the hook to get that braided hair. Just to hide my real hair into the lock. I'm using the latch hook to pull my hair through. Make sure that the lace hook is open. Just gonna get that hair into the lace hook, close the lace hook, and then pull it through. Hide it into the crochet forelock. So yeah, there you have it. I did it. This is the final look. I'm so excited. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, so if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.